Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Got a new deal here I want to show you. New knife. It's one I put on last time. Had one of my subs ask what kind of blade style is that. It's a cleaver. That's what they call it anyway, a cleaver blade. Pretty neat, I thought. I don't know if I bought this one new or used. Must be used because I don't have a box for it. Both honey badgers. I think I can afford to use that finger notch there. It's fairly sharp. I think that's a drop point blade. I ought to think it is. Look how thick them blades are. Buying used ones, they're usually around 21, 22, 23 bucks. It's a pretty good buy, I think. Well, folks, have a good weekend. Have a good day. Stay warm. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.